Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a bird. A charming bird known for its vibrant red breast and melodious song, generally friendly and often seen in gardens and parks. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as robin, robin, row, bin, robin. Robins are known for their beautiful singing, their early spring arrival, and their role as symbols of renewal and new beginnings. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about robins, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.